The Institute for Frontier Materials is pleased to support Carbon Nexus, a research facility that carries out leading-edge carbon fibre science and validates the outcomes at the industrial scale. The jewel in the crown is a 100-tonne pilot-scale production line. The facility is open access and has enabled us to forge a reputation as a research partner highly responsive to the needs of industry.
Carbon Nexus is a carbon fibre research centre which can process end-to-end carbon fibre, from the polymer using our wet spinning line to the carbon fibre. When you combine our organic chemistry, our polymer chemistry and our advanced manufacturing facilities, you have a powerful resource that can tackle research challenges across the entire carbon fibre value chain.
Located at the Deakin Waurn Ponds campus, Carbon Nexus offers an unparalleled suite of equipment and scientific expertise to undertake pilot-scale industry research.
Research at Carbon Nexus is driven to make industry-relevant breakthroughs in 4 key themes: low-cost carbon fibre and precursor development, surface treatment of carbon fibre, tailored resins, and advanced composite manufacturing. Our researchers study the interactions between processing conditions, chemical structure and microstructure of the fibre, and the impact upon the carbon fibre properties and final manufactured composite. A high-quality carbon fibre requires a high-quality precursor. And at Carbon Nexus, we can do this courtesy of our own custom-designed wet spinning line. This facility provides us with a rare capability that allows us to create high-quality bespoke precursor fibre using our own tailored polymer compositions. Indeed, this provides us with unprecedented control over the processability and ultimate properties of the carbon fibre. The simulator at Carbon Nexus simulates the stabilisation and carbonisation of very small lengths of precursor fibre. It affords us the ability to rapidly produce a range of tailored carbon fibre for evaluation prior to using the larger continuous carbonisation lines. This means we can greatly reduce the time required to establish new stabilisation and carbonisation protocols using a fraction of the fibre normally required. As sustainability and recyclability become increasingly important, so too are thermoplastic composites, which are now emerging from the shadow of traditional polymer matrices. The twin screw extruder at Carbon Nexus is a powerful and modular system that provides our researchers with the capability to synthesize and fabricate the next generation of high-performance thermoplastic composites that are sustainable, recyclable and processable. Our key areas of research are strongly aligned to industry needs, and we work closely with many Australian and international companies, helping them to solve challenges and develop new materials for a prosperous and sustainable future. We welcome inquiries from industry to partner with us in the fields of carbon fibre and composite materials.
The global carbon fibre industry continues to grow. More companies are seeking to realise the dream of this dark wonder material, and Carbon Nexus is poised to help.